Assalamu alaikum students. Dear kids, welcome to my classroom. Today, we will learn about sharing is caring. Memorize. Dear students, can you tell me what's happening here? What do you think people are doing?
People are taking care of each other.
Do you share your food or toys?
Yes, I share my toys and food with my friends.
How do you take care of your family?
Yes, I help my mom and dad and grandma.
Understand? Amna, come here and read the poem.
Let others share your toys, my son. Do not insist on all the fun. For if you don't, it's certain that you will grow to be an adult proud.
Students, did you understand what this poem is about?
Yes, teacher. The poem is about sharing and caring.
How many rhyming words are in this poem?
There are 4 rhyming words: sun, fun, that, brat.
Well done. Summarize. Dear kids, the topic sharing is caring means that when we give something to someone, it is equal to caring them. It is a good habit and we should share our things to others. Critical thinking. Hiba, do you remember the words that are used in the poem?
Yes, ma'am. Brat, adult, toy.
Very good, Hiba. Initial sounds.
Hania, do you know the initial sounds? No, Faiza. Let me ask teacher. Teacher, please tell us about the initial sounds.
Kids, we can make new words by changing the first letter of some words like run, gun, fun.
Bun,
Exactly. These are known as initial sounds. Please tell some other words.
hat, cat, mat, rat.
One more.
Ten, hen, pen, men.
Wonderful, students. Did you read and listen the poem carefully?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Kids, let's fill in the blanks with correct options. Who will answer my question, kids? The poem is written by Edward Anthony, Rain Gibbs, William Wordsworth, Robert Frost.
Edward Anthony.
Great. Now let's move on to the next one. The correct rhyming word for fun is to, bat, sun.
Sun.
Very good. Now the last one is complete the line. You will grow to be an or a brat, older, elder, young, adult.
An adult.
Yay, very good. That's great, kids. Kids, we see many shapes in our surroundings with different colors, and today we will learn about some shapes and colors. Like, this is a red square, this is a green circle, this is a brown oval, this is a yellow triangle. Okay, kids, now let's do a fun activity to recognize the shapes and colors. Here is a flower. Fill appropriate colors in shapes. Green circle in center of the flower, brown oval in petals, yellow triangle in leaves, red square in roots.
Wow, teacher. This is a beautiful flower with different colors and shapes.
Language focus. Kids, let's concentrate on grammar. We are going to learn the concept of digraph. A digraph is 2 letters that make one sound. They can be used in initial or end of the word like ch, sh, ph, th. Let's make some words start with ch. Initial word chips. If we use at the end, it will be like final word much. Can anyone tell a word like this?
Yes, teacher. Initial word chick and final word each.
Excellent, kids. Let's make some words start with sh. Initial word ship. If we use at the end, it will be like final word fish. Who will tell one more word for sh?
Yes, teacher, I will. Initial word shape and final word wish.
Perfect. Now learn more words at home using diagrams. Dear kids, do you know what masculine and feminine nouns are? A noun that represents a male is called masculine, and a noun that represents female is called feminine. Amna, you tell me, are you masculine or feminine?
Teacher, I am feminine.
Hamad, are you masculine or feminine?
Teacher, I am masculine.
Great kids. I will tell you the masculine, then you have to find out the feminine of that noun like this. Boy's feminine is a girl. A bull's feminine is a cow. Let's learn more masculine and feminine and repeat after me. Man, woman,
Man, woman,
horse, mare.
horse, mare.
Wonderful kids. Use of these and those. Students, do you know we use these to talk about people or things near us, whereas we use those to talk about people or things that are away from us. Now I will show some objects here and you have to tell what to use for them. For example, for pencils, here we will say that these are pencils as object is near and those are pencils as object is far away. What will you use for the cars over there?
Those are cars. These are cars.
Great. You guys are learning fast. What will you use for the books over here?
These are books. And those are books.
Noreen, now you tell me. What will you use for the cups over there?
Those cups. These were near objects. These are cups.
Yay, well done kids. Now we will learn about naming and action words. Naming words. Everything around us has a name like people, place, thing, and animal. All naming words are called noun. Action words. Words that describe or express actions like running, walking, playing, reading. Kids, point out some naming words in the picture.
Tree, books, football, cycle.
Now point out some action words in the picture.
Talking, listening, reading, running.
Let's highlight the noun and verb in this sentence. Kids are playing with a ball.
Teacher, here ball is a naming word. That is noun. And playing is an action word. That is verb.
Great. Well done, kids. You did great job. Creative writing. Sharing and caring with friends and family is a good habit. I know all the kids share and care about their friends and family. Let's write few lines about your family using these words. Love, help, play, father. Like, I have a wonderful family. My mother is very loving and caring. I help my mother in different tasks. Complete this activity by using the remaining words. Happy learning, kids. Go home and practice all the things you learned today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.